The solar system consists of the Sun and
the Sun and all objects bound by its gravity.
The Sun is a
star.
The Sun is mainly composed of
Hydrogen and helium.
Which is the primary source of energy for the solar system?
Sun.
How many planets are officially recognized in the solar system?
8.
Which planet is closest to the Sun?
Mercury.
Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star?
Venus.
Which planet occupies the third position from the Sun in the solar system?
Earth.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Which is the largest planet in the solar system?
Jupiter.
Which planet is famous for its prominent ring system?
Saturn.
Which is the smallest planet in the solar system?
Mercury.
Which planet is called the blue planet?
Earth.
Which planet rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets?
Venus.
Which planet has the longest day due to its very slow rotation?
Venus.
Which planet is known for the Great Red Spot?
Jupiter.
Which planet is farthest from the Sun?
Neptune.
Pluto is currently classified as a
dwarf planet.
The International Astronomical Union reclassified Pluto in
2006.
Which of the following is not a planet?
Pluto.
Which group of planets is known as the inner planets of the solar system?
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars.
Which group of planets is known as the outer planets of the solar system?
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
What is the asteroid belt in the solar system?
A region of rocky objects between Mars and Jupiter.
Between which two planets is the main asteroid belt located?
Mars and Jupiter.
Which celestial body is also referred to as a minor planet?
Asteroid.
What is a comet primarily composed of?
Ice, dust and frozen gases.
Why do comets develop a tail when they approach the Sun?
The Sun's heat vaporizes ice and releases gas and dust.
In which direction does the tail of a comet generally point?
Away from the Sun.
What is a meteoroid?
A small rocky object moving through space.
What is a meteor?
A meteoroid that burns while entering the Earth's atmosphere.
What is a meteorite?
A meteoroid that reaches the Earth's surface.
Which term is commonly used for a meteor visible in the night sky?
Shooting star.
What is the Milky Way?
A galaxy.
The solar system is a part of which galaxy?
Milky Way galaxy.
What is a galaxy?
A vast system of stars, gas, dust, and other celestial objects.
Which galaxy contains the solar system?
Milky Way galaxy.
What is a constellation?
A group of stars forming a recognizable pattern.
Which star is commonly used to determine the north direction?
Polaris.
Why is Polaris also known as the pole star?
It appears almost directly above the Earth's north pole.
Which of the following is the natural satellite of the Earth?
Moon.
Which criterion adopted by the International Astronomical Union in 2006 distinguishes a planet from a dwarf planet?
The object must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit.
Why was Pluto reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union?
It does not dominate and clear its orbital neighborhood.
Which of the following celestial bodies revolves around a planet rather than directly around the Sun?
Natural satellite.
Which statement correctly distinguishes a star from a planet?
Stars produce their own light whereas planets reflect the light of a star.
Which of the following planets has the largest number of confirmed natural satellites among the planets of the solar system?
Saturn.
Which characteristic is common to all planets in the solar system?
They revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbits.
According to Kepler's first law, the orbit of a planet around the Sun is
elliptical with the Sun at one focus.
Which region of the solar system contains a vast number of icy bodies and is regarded as the source of many short-period comets?
Kuiper belt.
What is the principal difference between an asteroid and a comet?
Asteroids are primarily rocky whereas comets are mainly composed of ice dust and frozen gases.
Which statement best explains why life is known to exist only on Earth among the planets of the solar system?
Earth has suitable temperature liquid water and a life-supporting atmosphere.